for the prayer and the Dipolog City March.
Amen.
everyone. To officially welcome all participants, coaches, officials, and guests, may we invite our tournament manager, Ms. Barabay R. Sinubuhan, for her welcome remarks.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. On behalf of the organizing committee, I warmly welcome you all for the CAN 2025 Dance Sport Competition. Today is a celebration of talent, discipline, and passion for dance. We are gathered here to witness the grace and energy of our participants or dancers as they showcase their skills on this stage. First, let me give special recognition to our sports officer, especially Mr. Jonah Del Noli, for his leadership and unwavering support and making this event possible. Your dedication, sir, for promoting sports are the heart of truly inspired to us. To our parents, trainers, and supporters, thank you for standing behind these young dancers. Your encouragement and sacrifice have helped them reach this moment. And to our coaches, we deeply appreciate your hard work and commitment in guiding these students, not just in dance, but in building confidence and character. Today it's not just about competition. It is about friendship, learning, and celebrating the beauty of movement. So let us cheer for every performance and appreciate the effort and make this event memorable and one for everyone. Once again, welcome to the CAN 2025 Dance Sport Competition. Let the music play, let the dancers shine, and let us enjoy the wonderful day. Thank you and good luck to all participants.
Thank you so much, Concourse. To further inspire our young athletes, we are honored to have with us the Division Sports Officer of the Quezon City Division, as well as Mr. Jonah Del Noli, for his inspirational message.
Hello. Thank you, inspirational. Good afternoon to everyone. I see school heads now with us this afternoon. I'd like to acknowledge their presence. We have with us the school principal of ZNHS, Sir Rosilito Tizon. Sir, thank you for organizing our dance sport competition. And we also have the school principal of Ma'am Susan Patayhan, Lao Yuina, Elementary School Templo, also Ma'am Susan, from private schools, representatives from private schools, high school principal. Wala. Anyway, there are a lot of parents. Thank you for supporting your athletes, your children, and thank you for raising our dance sport this afternoon. Coaches, ako yung mga estudyante. Wala ko yung klase. Nag-idea mo? Maalas yun. Masigaha. Thank you also for your support. I'd like to acknowledge our tournament manager, Ma'am Officer Buwan. Of course, we would like to extend our gratitude to our important adjudicators from Zamboanga del Norte, all the way from Zamboanga del Norte, Sir, wala ko nalang, sir. Okay, sir. Sir Daniel Lapunisa from Zamboanga del Norte Division, and also from the Pinta Division of Ivy Joy Kota. Thank you very much, Mama, sir. It's not an inspirational message actually. I'd like to inform you in advance. I'm quite sure most of you, if not all of us, already aware Dapitan City, Polo City, and Zamboanga del Norte will become one delegation come 2026 Zebra meet in Sagara City. And we will be bringing Zandida as our official delegation name, no? Zamboanga del Norte, the Polo City, Dapitan City Athletic Association. Okay? So athletes, sa una, in the previous competition sa Zamboanga City meet, direction of Zebra. But this time around, we still have to go through Zandida meet, and that's gonna happen on December 14, 2017. So we barely have 2 weeks na lang para mag-prepare. But we're quite confident in your talents, no? I'm quite sure you will give your best in that competition. So, iset na ninyo yung mind, pwede mo dito sa Isabela City. Huwag ipatag Zandida amin. The good thing is, we're going to hold our Zandida amin, especially, particularly this event plans for Terena sa Polo City. So you don't have to go to Dapitan or Zamboanga del Norte. No, except for basketball, volleyball, swimming, those events will be played in Dapitan City. And I think there's one event that will be played in Polanco. I forgot the event. The rest of the events will be played here in the Polo City. So again, I'd like to request your support, no? On that one competition na to. So whoever wins in that competition, mamaya ang ipadala sa Zebra Amin in Sagara City on Feb 7 to 12. But we will be departing here from Polo City on Feb 3 next year. Okay? So, congratulations in advance, and I know you are all great dancers, and we're hoping, we're crossing our fingers that we will come out as the winners, no, in the Zandida meet. Okay? So, good luck in your competition karon. Good luck sa Zandida. Thank you very much. Parents, supporters, technical officials, thank you for your efforts, and to our tournament manager. We were having a minor challenge ngayon nakuha, especially ang medals, until now, our suppliers, wala yata. But, thanks to our TM, kay mayaman at ang tournament manager, siya na lang sa ako provide sa kuha medals. So definitely there will be medals that will be hosted unya kung kinsa ay mulaog. Okay, so thank you very much. Mga kasi tulungan, iwan na yung bahala sa inyong mga kaayo. So again, may hapon, and maraming salamat sa inyong support. And before I forget, thank you to Iputan Elementary School Principal, Sir Ken Alonforno, for allowing us to use this cover tour. Maraming salamat, and again, maayong hapon.
Thank you so much, Sir Joel Boni. And now, to ignite the energy and spirit of this competition, prepare yourselves for an opening salvo by our contenders, together with their coaches, our tournament managers, and the technical officials. Let us give them a warm round of applause. Thank you.